Last Will Guide, a step-by-step guide for writing a will. A last will is a legal document that details how a person's assets will be distributed after their death. It is an important tool that can help to ensure that a person's final wishes are carried out and that their loved ones are provided for. Writing a will does not have to be complicated or expensive. You can write one yourself, or you can use an online service like digitalwealthmedia.com. Step 1. Choose an executor. The first step in writing a last will is to choose an executor. This is the person who will be responsible for carrying out your wishes after you die. You should choose someone who you trust and who is organized and capable of handling this type of responsibility. Step 2. Gather your assets and liabilities. The next step is to gather information about your assets and liabilities. This includes things like your bank accounts, investment accounts, real estate, and personal property. You will also need to know how much debt you have and what your monthly expenses are. Step 3. Determine how you want your assets distributed. Once you have gathered all of the information about your assets, you need to decide how you want them to be distributed. This includes who will inherit your property and how much they will receive. Step 4. Decide who will care for your children. If you have children, you need to decide who will care for them if something happens to you. This includes appointing a guardian and making arrangements for their financial needs. Step 5. Choose your witnesses. Witnesses are important because they can help to prove that your will is valid if there is ever any question. You should choose witnesses who are honest and reliable. Step 6. Sign and notarize your will. Once you have completed all of the steps above, you need to sign your will in front of 2 witnesses. You also need to have your will notarized. Creating a will is an important step in estate planning, and it can ensure that your loved ones are taken care of according to your wishes. If you do not have a will, your property will be distributed according to the laws of intestacy in your state. To learn more, visit digitalwealthmedia.com. Thanks for watching.